Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to freeze up this computer, put it in the freezer and see if it can survive because the reason why first of all it was very hot. Yeah, it was hot. Now it's number one. Two, taking long to respond to the shutdown. I want to make everything cool down. The CPU is getting too hot, guys, so I will need to put the freezer to cool down. The only thing I can't leave it long. As they say, it's gonna break, so I'm gonna put in the freezer from the battery because I want to go without my battery because I want to make sure it's going in that there's no electricity. Yep. Now make sure that we're gonna go with battery because I don't want to damn it because if I want to freeze up this, I must put it inside the leave inside for some reason it may damn it the main board. Okay, so never mind. Let's go ahead and put this in the freezer. Alright, so we're gonna put it in here just for a moment. Not to worry. We only need a few minutes because the reason why because it's really too much hot, guys. Okay, so there only for a few minutes and we'll check it out. About 5 to 10 minutes we'll check it out and see will it work because my laptop is really hot now. I want to close because the CPU is really hot. I want to cool down the CPU. Okay, it's been a few minutes now. Check it out. Oh wow, it's so cold. Okay guys, so I hope really this thing's gonna work. But I'm just gonna plug. Now I'm gonna insert this in. Yup, it's very hot this moment. But now all we have to do is to wait to cool down. I'm not gonna install battery back because for some reason we have to cool it down. Don't even try this at home. Well, I don't think I'm gonna start yet. Okay guys, so I'm watching the football here. Ooh, it's frozen. You see this? Oh, whoa. Okay, whoa. Man. Let's see it, whoa. Oh, wow. Yes. It's working. Because so yes, it's working. Oh my god, I think it's currently cold at this moment. So what I'm gonna do is wait until it cools down, then I'll probably check again. So showing you guys still wet like this. So definitely don't even try it at home. Let me check out this again. Alright, there it goes. Ooh, got some water. It's still wet. But I'll just check to see wherever this time can boot up to Windows. So don't even think you try this. Don't leave it there for long. There we go. It's booting up. Okay, so everything's still normal. Nothing really bad happened. This is best. Yeah, so the most stable laptop will never work slow after I apply my computer when I shut down the times. There we go. There's my Windows. Okay, so that's it. Everything's still working very fine. So thank you for guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Make sure to catch you in the next one. Peace out.